Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Here we've got the backup option, so let's enter and tap on Add Account simply. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And I've got it saved, so let me just pick it and tap on next if you're finished. And right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, so let's tap on next simply. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. So after reading, just come back and tap on I agree. And here we've got the information about the backup. So here we can check that we will have 15 gigabytes of Google account, and then there we can storage apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details and read more. Your device will back up everything automatically. It will store it securely, and you will be able to manage your backup easily if you want to. So if for some reason you do not want to back up your data right now, just tap on Not Now. As you can see, we will just go back to the system settings, and after, I don't know, a day or two, or I don't know, if you will decide that you want to back up your data, just tap on backup, and as you can see, we will just go back to this step, so you don't have to go through all the options, all these steps of adding the account. So if you're ready, just tap on turn on. And as you can see here, we've got our backup section, we've got the account storage, we can tap on backup now in order to obviously back up the data. Of course, as you can see, we will have to confirm it. And here we've got also some details about the apps, photos, videos, text messages, and so on and so on. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your REALME Pad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.